people, Pauly Pack Bros show. Mason Bro, Aiden Bro, and Daddy Bro behind the camera. And okay, that was weird. Today we are
Ooh, my
doing
thumb keeps getting in the way.
the shotgun pop soda challenge.
Yeah.
I think. So it's where my dad has this thingamabobber on his hand, and we're gonna shake it super fast. He's gonna poke a hole somewhere, like it's bottom, top, I don't know, and we're gonna like this, drinking it like a doggy.
No, you have to open up the top of it.
Yeah, and then whoever drinks the most first wins.
Okay. Shake it up. You go first.
Wait, so you're gonna
But no, go up
shake
first.
it, and then you're gonna poke a hole
Yeah.
right there. And I'm
No, I'm gonna poke on the bottom. Go. Real good. Keep going. 1. Shake it 10 seconds. 2,
I can't. My
3,
pinky hurts because I
4,
sprained it.
5, 6. Keep going. Jump up and down. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, come here, Mason.
But how if it goes
Come
down
here.
so with you
Come
not
here.
drinking it? Me?
Buddy, come here, Mason.
Go. What?
Hold the camera while I poke the hole.
Okay.
Come around.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, get it. Keep it on Aiden. Put your feet like that. There you go. Good. Okay, hold it on him. I'm gonna
Don't show the
get his
camera.
head. Okay, wait. Okay, hang on. Okay, ready?
Right here.
So once I poke the hole, you put your mouth on it, and then you open the lid. Okay.
Why open up the lid?
Ooh, go, go. Get it. Open the lid. Open the lid. Open the lid. Open the lid. Oh no. Oh. Oh.
Hi.
I got all wet. Did you get me? I got all wet. Oh, I got popped. I didn't.
Here you go.
Oh.
Here.
Oh.
My turn.
Give it. Oh. Oh. Did you open the lid? Did you get to open the lid? No? Alright, we'll go on the rocks. Don't put it on the driveway.
You're peeing your pants.
Ew.
You're peeing your pants.
So Mason, when you do it, I'll try and open the lid real quick, okay?
No! It's nutrition. Like Aiden did.
Yeah, it will.
I'm gonna do it like Aiden did. Can I? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready? Alright. Shake it.
Count. That's
1,
good.
2,
Good. 5.
3. Keep going hard. 4. Hard. 5,
I can't get it.
6, 7,
8. I fell in the rock.
8. Keep going.
9.
Keep going.
9. 10. Okay?
Okay. Alright, get on the rocks.
Oh, rocker. I'm scared.
Okay.
Do I have to hold it?
Your hand. Yeah. You can hold it. Come on. Ready?
Right off my hand.
Just put it on the left side. Okay, ready?
Now it's Mason Bro behind it. I mean, Aiden Bro behind the camera.
Okay, ready? Well, come over here.
Mason, we gotta get right there.
Here.
Get it! Oh my god. Dude, come on, spray it all over your shirt. Be a man. Be a man. Okay.
Open the lid. Try and open the lid. See what happens.
Okay. I can't.
No?
Ha. Open the lid.
Do it.
Here, do it to me.
Here, let's do the orange Fanta. Get the strawberry Fanta. You gotta stay in the rocks, though. I mean... How do you feel? I'm getting pop all over you.
Sad.
Why? Alright, you guys can both do the Fanta. Okay?
So, Daddy, I think you're supposed to be quick
Yeah.
and make 2 holes. Right? And then we're both going
No,
to
we
drink
both
it?
can do it. You both can do it. I'll have to make one. Okay, ready? Shake it up. Aiden, go in the middle right there. Let me see. Shake it up. Hard, man. 1, 2. Keep going.
Oh, look my booty. I'm proud.
3. Keep going. 4. Keep going. 5. Okay, Mason, get a little shake. Let Mason do it now.
Shake like a boss. Okay. I'll just... That's mine.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay. Where's my thing?
The poker bow. just never play with this.
No, don't.
Play with it ever.
Here.
Play with it for the
Should I
rest
go
of your
first?
life.
You want me to go first?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. Get back. Get back. Okay.
Hook it like at the wrong direction.
Okay, ready? Yes. Don't put it at me.
Oh my god, it just...
Oh! Oh! It got over me! Straight down to Aiden. Straight down Mason. Straight down Mason. Oh! Oh! Okay, don't on their driveway. Oh!
Why won't someone take...
Oh!
Drink it all, dude. Drink it all.
Oh!
This might be our messiest video ever.
Oh, I smell like. Wait, you gotta check me out. Let's see. I got orange Fanta all over me.
We're gonna have red hair tonight.
Ew, on my phone. Come here, Bruno.
Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Someone drink.
later. Pauly Pack Bros show. Alright, now this is the aftermath of the pop, the Fizzle pop. Look at it, they're all red. And they decided to, look at Aiden's face. Wait, let me take a look, come here, closer. Look at his face. Let me see yours. Okay, no more pop, Mason. Okay, you want to dump it? No, Aiden, no more. Okay, ready? Dump it over your head. Okay, ready? On the count of 3.
I'm diabetes. I'm diabetes.
1.
I'm diabetes.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Ew.
Like a king.
Stay, you gotta stay in the rock.
Going down my pants.
Oh, God.
It's going down my pants.
Okay, get the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Go in the rocks. I don't want it on my driveway. No, no more drinking.
I'm diabetes.
No, Mason, that's not funny. Ready?
Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
1,
Hey.
2, 3, go.
Wait, throw it at each other?
No. Oh, you can go ahead. Don't throw it at me. I already got hit.
Hey.
Okay. All right, over your head.
Bobby.
Oh, that's so gross.
Oh, like a master.
Going down my...
Down my...
Oh, that's gross. All right.
Hey.
All right, this is funny. All right.
Ah.
Should we jump in the pool?
Yeah, we can jump in the pool. All right, we'll say goodbye.
Please subscribe.
I think I'm getting...
Don't let that get in your eyes.
Please subscribe. Pauly Pack Bros show.
All right, later. Oh. Bye. Wait, let me look at your face again. Let's see. Come here. Let's look. Ew. No spitting. All right, later.